Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite cold remedies using olive oil or avocado oil, turmeric, honey, and lemon or lime. This is what I personally do if I'm feeling sick or if I'm feeling like the onset of sickness. My name is Mark Robinson. I'm a physical therapist, and I'm a big believer in turmeric because it can help with inflammation. And if you are about to get sick, there's likely the beginning of inflammation in your body. And this is something that can control that inflammatory response and promote a healthy inflammatory response, which is great for colds and also great if you're dealing with different injuries. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to use olive oil or avocado oil, and you're going to put 1 to 2 tablespoons in the glass like this. Next, you're going to open up a capsule of Active Adams turmeric. I use Active Adams because it is a high potency turmeric. We have more curcuminoids per capsule on the market than anybody else that I'm aware of. We have 750 milligrams of turmeric extract in 1 capsule, and that's important because the extract contains a higher dose of curcuminoids. Those are the anti-inflammatory compounds in the turmeric. Next, you're going to go ahead and take tablespoon of honey. This is some honey from Istanbul, Turkey, when I went to go visit there with my wife. So you're going to pour this delicious honey right in here, which is also antimicrobial. So I'm going to go with 2 teaspoons because it's just that delicious. And then we're going to use a lime because that's all I had today, but you can also use lemon as well. So you're going to squeeze that in there as much as you want. And then this is going to create just a small little shot that you can stir up here, and the honey is going to give it a little bit of a thickness to it, and the olive oil is going to help the turmeric to dissolve. If you do a little experiment at home and you open up a turmeric capsule and you put it in water, you're going to find that the water does not dissolve the turmeric. You need some kind of oil or some kind of fat. And we always advise our clients and people that are taking Active Adams turmeric to take it with olive oil because it's going to absorb better by the body and it's going to be more bioavailable. So now you can see there's this delicious kind of creamy orange consistency, and the best part is coming right up. You're just going to take this and you're just going to take it like a shot or just sip it down and enjoy it. So it's thick. And it just coats your throat, and if you have a scratchy throat, I love that about it. Really genuinely tastes good. If you don't think it tastes good, just give it a try. Honestly, it tastes really good. It's a good way to kind of mask some of that olive oil flavor too, which by the way is also good to take 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil per day because of all the anti-inflammatory benefits as well. So be sure to try Active Adams turmeric curcuminoids with this little concoction if you're feeling a little bit sick or you're feeling the onset of sickness. And if you want to pick up a bottle of Active Adams turmeric curcuminoids, then head over to activeadams.com, add the subscription option so you can set your delivery frequency however you would like, and then get the high potency benefit of Active Adams turmeric extract that you can't get in any other product out there.